Talks. User Behavior Analysis, 100 Ways to Track and Analyze User Behavior. American Samoa, a digital marketing specialist. Google Analytics, to track website traffic and behavior. Adobe Analytics, for advanced user insights. Matimo, as an open-source web analytics tool. Crazy Egg, to generate heat maps for click analysis. Hotjar, combining heat maps and user session recordings. Mouseflow, for detailed tracking of user interactions. InspectLit, to capture session videos for user journey analysis. Full Story, for comprehensive user activity recordings. VWO, for conversion optimization through session tracking. SMAPLI, for user journey mapping and visualization. UXpressia, for customer experience journey creation. Google Optimize, to perform A/B testing on web pages. Optimizely, for comparing user engagement on variations. Convert, to track A/B test results and user response. Unbounce, to improve landing page conversions. INSTO page, for detailed tracking of landing page performance. Lead pages, for analyzing lead generation metrics. Mixpanel, to track user engagement and retention. Amplitude, for real-time behavioral analysis. Heap, to automatically capture every user action. ClickTail, for clickstream analysis. Kissmetrics, for funnel and event tracking. Tabi Pro, to analyze user eye movements. SurveyMonkey, to gather user feedback. Qualaroo, for in-page surveys and responses. Typeform, to create engaging user surveys. Promoter.io, for tracking Net Promoter Scores, NPS. Delighted, for user satisfaction tracking. Hootsuite Analytics, for social media engagement insights. Sprout Social, to measure content effectiveness on social media. Zendesk, for analyzing customer support data. Freshdesk, to gather and review user feedback. Brand24, for online sentiment analysis. Mention, to track brand mentions and user sentiment. ClickTail, for detailed funnel analysis. HubSpot, for tracking lead behavior and nurturing. Marketo, for behavioral email marketing automation. Salesforce, to analyze sales funnel user interactions. Zoho CRM, for tracking lead and customer behavior. Firebase Analytics, for mobile app user analysis. Baremetrics, to predict and reduce user churn. Intercom, for analyzing live chat interactions. Drift, for live chat and chatbot data analysis. UTM parameters, in Google Analytics for traffic source tracking. Medallia, for voice of customer, VOC, data. Kissmetrics, to visualize user drop-off points. Segment, for collecting data from various platforms. Qualtrics, for in-depth user feedback surveys. User testing, to see how users interact with your site. Crazy Egg, to analyze scroll maps. Session Cam, to identify friction in user experience. Lucky Orange, for combining session recording with heat maps. Mouse Stats, for understanding mouse movements. Pendu, to measure product user behavior. UpQueues, to analyze in-app user engagement. Google Tag Manager, for event tracking. Heap Analytics, to understand user actions without manual coding. Amplitude, for cohort analysis. Mixpanel, for user engagement metrics. Clicky, for real-time user tracking. Chartbeat, for understanding content engagement. Bitly, to track URL clicks. HubSpot Analytics, for marketing campaign tracking. Piwik Pro, for enterprise-level user tracking. OpenWeb Analytics, as a self-hosted analytics tool. Ruler Analytics, to track marketing ROI. Leadfeeder, for tracking company visits to your website. Woopra, for customer journey analytics. StatCounter, for real-time website analytics. SEMrush, to analyze traffic sources. Ahrefs, for backlink analysis and traffic tracking. Crazy Egg, to visualize confetti maps. ClickMeter, for monitoring campaign links. Facebook Analytics, for social media user insights. LinkedIn Analytics, to track B2B engagement. Twitter Analytics, for tweet performance. Instagram Insights, to analyze post engagement. Pinterest Analytics, to track pin activity. YouTube Analytics, for video performance tracking. Google Search Console, to track search performance. Hotjar, for user feedback and surveys. OptinMonster, for tracking conversion optimization. VWO, for advanced split testing. Adobe Target, for personalized user experiences. Salesforce Einstein, for predictive user analytics. Kissmetrics, for SaaS user tracking. Zendesk Insights, to analyze support data trends. Asana, for team performance tracking. Trello, to analyze task completion rates. Slack Analytics, for user communication patterns. Irana, for behavioral data analysis. Mode Analytics, to visualize user data trends. Google Data Studio, for data visualization. Tableau, to create dashboards of user behavior. Domo, for business data analysis. Looker, to drill down into user data. Microsoft Power BI, for comprehensive analytics. R, programming for statistical analysis. Python, libraries like pandas for data insights. Excel, to track user behavior metrics. Thank you.